Okay, so we were discussing the matrices and whatever we have discussed, is there any problem? The basics, no problem?
No, sir.
No problem, sir.
Very good. Okay, so what all we have discussed, okay, we have discussed plus and minus. Alright, a plus b, a minus b, and the constant. Alright, so today we are going to start with the multiplication. Whatever I am writing on the screen, it is visible, I hope, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or matrices. See, multiplication of matrices, like you have seen in the addition and subtraction of the matrices, that it was quite easy. Just add the numbers, respective number, add a11 into a11, b11 into b11, like this. But when it comes to the multiplication, we have to follow a particular methodology. So the first thing which we need to ensure is that whether the multiplication is possible or not. Now, possible or not, what I mean by that, suppose I have a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have a matrix B as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the two matrices, and the multiplication will be called as AB. But first of all, we need to ensure that whether AB is possible or not. The multiplication is possible or not. And how we'll ensure that? There is a rule for that. That suppose if A matrix is there and B matrix is there, what is the order of matrix A? Can anyone tell me?
2 cross 2.
2 cross 2.
2 plus 2.
It is 2 cross 2. Just a second, just a second. Yes, Abhishek? अब बेटा आप लोग आधा घंटा वेट करो, मेरी फर्स्ट ईयर में क्लास चल रही है ना? जाना मत बेटा, सबको बोल देना कि कोई जाएगा नहीं। ठीक। Yes. And what is the order of B, matrix B?
2 cross
2
3.
plus 3.
2 cross 3. Okay. Now, A is 2 cross 2, B is 2 cross 3. We need to check that number of columns in matrix A and number of rows in matrix B should be same. I am not saying element should be same, but whatever the number of columns in A, you all know that we write order in this sense. First number represent the number of rows and second number represent the number of columns. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So before jumping onto the multiplication, you need to check whether AP is possible or not. So multiplication of two matrices is possible only when the number of columns in first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Like I have asked for AB. Suppose I have asked BA. So you need to check that whether BA is possible or not. So in case of BA, we'll see what is the order of B. Sir, order of B is 2 cross 3. What is the order of A? Sir, it is 2 cross 2. Now tell me, BA is possible or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Everybody is saying no, sir. Is there anyone who says no, sir? समझ नहीं आया? Please explain again. Is there anyone? Because there are many students who have already taken this class offline mode yesterday. So I'm talking to the people who are taking this class for the first time in online. So BA. So BA, we need to check the number of columns in B, that is 3. And we need to check the number of rows in A, that is 2. So 3 is not equal to 2, that means BA is not possible. We cannot multiply B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now multiplication of matrices will be over. Right. So we'll go for the multiplication now. I have taken the same matrix again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the B matrix is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll go for B. Now how to multiply? We'll take the first row of the first matrix and we'll multiply it with the respective elements of the column. Like I am writing over here, you just observe what I am doing. Then I'll tell you how I am doing it. Have you got it? Have you got the pattern?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
we are just fixing the first row of the matrix, first matrix, and we are multiplying it with the columns of the second matrix. So when we are multiplying the row with the first column of B, we are getting the first element of AB. Vishal, please mute yourself. Then we are taking the same first row of A and we are multiplying it with the second column of B and we are getting the second element of AB. Right? This is how we proceed. So in a similar way, now I'll take the second row. So 3 into 5 plus 4 into 8, then 3 into 6 plus 4 into 9, then 3 into 7 plus 4 into 10. Is it clear? Is there any,
Yes, sir.
is there
Sir.
Yes, sir.
any doubt here?
Yes, sir. Please cross check whether I have done it right or not. So, yes, sir.
Okay. So is it clear to everyone who is taking online class only, who are not there in the last offline class?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, good. Yes. Find AB. And just let me know into the chat section when you are done. Or is there any problem?
पर शो करेंगे मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद क्या करना है वो चेक करना था
Yes, yes. Just a second. This one?
हाँ हाँ जी सर
So 8 students have responded already. I'm waiting for the remaining three students to respond. I think one, remaining two. I'm not wrong. Okay, someone has left. Okay. Alright, so I hope everyone has done it. So let us check. I'll be asking the different elements of the resulting matrix AB, and then we'll be cross checking that whether everyone is getting it or not, and is there any problem, then I'll solve it. Okay, so what is the order of AB? The AB matrix which you have got, what is the order of that?
2 into 3
2 into
2 cross 3.
3,
yes sir 2 plus 3
2
2
cross
cross
3.
3.
Okay, the order will be 2 cross 3. It is right. Now, what is
Yes.
uh, AB 2? What is the value of AB 2? Are you understanding what I mean by
sir
AB 2?
144 yes sir
Yes, what is the value?
No, sir.
so 144
144.
144.
144
Okay, there was someone who said no, sir. So please understand, I hope you were not there in the starting classes. So when we write a matrix, the elements are being assigned certain designation like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and so on. This A11 means this first one is representing the row in which it is, and this is representing the column one in which it is. Like if you talk about A23, so this is the element which is there in the second row and third column. So for example, if we talk about this matrix, what is A11? It is 1. What is A12? It is 2. What is A21? A21 means second row, first column. So I'll go into the second row and I'll go for the first column. Just a second. Is it clear? There was someone who said no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir,
So,
me.
okay. So AB
Okay,
12
sir.
is 144. Is there anyone who has any contradiction? No, sir. I'm not getting 144. Everyone is getting 144.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is AB 22?
342, sir.
342 sir
342.
342
342. Is it same with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Very good. So that means I can assure that yes, everybody is getting it. So very good. Do it. Is it possible to find AB for this matrix, for these two matrices?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And what will be the order of AB? It is possible to find. Okay. What will be the order?
So 2 plus
Sir,
2.
2 plus
2, 3.
3.
2 cross 3. Okay. So start doing it. Find AB.
सर बी में 3 3 क्या है 7 या 1 है वो
B, 3. It is negative 7. It is negative 7. Again, I am writing negative 7. Okay, so let us discuss this. Again, what is AB? 2, 3.
Sir, minus 54.
Negative 54.
Then negative 111.
That is why I have given the numbers in negative because I wanted to check the concepts of plus and minus. So, okay, there is a contradiction.
Sir, minus.
Sir, negative 111.
Sir, negative
यस
triple
सर
one.
नेगेटिव 1 1 1 आएगा
Yes, sir.
Sir, negative triple one आएगा sir.
Okay, so let's do one thing. I'll solve this over
Negative
here.
triple one.
No issue, no issue. Just wait. I am doing it. You just cross check. Okay, I am just removing the first step. I am directly multiplying and putting it over here. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right, sir.
No one has any issue?
सर 16 8 आएगा ना 20
No, sir.
plus 60.
This is like -2 multiplied by -10 plus -4 multiplied by -4. So 4 into 4 will be 16. Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the second one. So,
12, sir.
is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
वो
sir.
अभी तक वो
Now
सर
Yes, sir.
16 वाला सम नहीं.
you just have to do the plus minus and you will get the answer. So 823 is yeah, it is not -54. So whosoever was getting -54, please recheck. You must have done some calculation mistake. Yes, is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
can I assume that you are clear with all the basics of matrices, the addition, the subtraction, and the multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Please remember the grammar
Yes,
rule.
sir.
First of all, we need to check whether it is possible to multiply the different matrices or not, and then we go for multiplication. Don't jump onto the conclusion straight away. Right?
So, I have a question.
Yes, Rhythm.
So, for example, if in exam, like the question comes like the same question, like A into B. So, in that case, if the question says to perform the multiplication as B into A, so that won't be possible.
Yeah,
Like, for example.
if they give you the matrix AB and they ask you BA, right? You are asking that
Yes,
only.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so they if they are giving yes, it's a genuine question and it's a very common question. They will give you two matrices AB and they will ask BA. So you just have to consider B as the first matrix and A as the second matrix. So just check the number of columns in B and check the number of rows in A in that case. They should be equal.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Right. So that's all for today. We'll again meet tomorrow. Please practice, and the test is scheduled, so please attempt it accordingly. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
सर ये